You place nobody above me. So why the sudden change? I think you trying to treat me like a lame. We hopped on them planes, raced to the islands you saw overseas. I bought you a diamond. I thought you were a blessing in disguise. Now I see you just the devil in disguise.
Baby, I opened up my heart and laid my soul bare for you. If you can't say that you love me, then I'm gonna have to say that we're through. And if you can't say that you love me, you better pack your bags, girl, you know what you gotta do.
Not emotional, I got my heart back. All of a sudden you trying to crawl back. I wasn't good enough then, but I am now. Think you could school me like I'm a class clown? Please, I'm done moving on. Don't think you got me cause you got a brother singing the song. I thought I couldn't live without you, but now all I do is live without you.
Baby, I opened up my heart and laid my soul bare for you. If you can't say that you love me, then I'm gonna have to say that we're through. And if you can't say that you love me, you better pack your bags, girl, you know what you gotta do. If you can't say those three little words, I guess it means that we're through. I came home late, and to my surprise, all my worldly things were outside. I guess that she had enough this time. Maybe I shouldn't have lied. I thought I could put one over on her. I thought I was way too sly. But when she put that X-ray vision on me, I just broke down and cried. I shouldn't have lied. I shouldn't have lied. Baby, I shouldn't have lied. Said I got caught, I guess I shouldn't have lied. Oh, come on, that's right. I guess I got caught. Next morning I'm blowing up her phone. I keep texting 911.